I've been looking for some chunky style heels to give me comfort in my shoes all day. So I found these and we're gonna go ahead and try them on. These are in the color Nude, but take a look. They are open toe heels. They have a strap in the ankle. These are in the color Nude, but absolutely love the chunky heel. I personally think that gives me more support when I use them, especially if I'm wearing them for a long period of time. Take a look at the nice chunky boot. Just overall, first impression, I absolutely love the way that they look. Very, very nice stitching. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up on what that looks like. Turn them around, and this is the little ankle strap. Very, very nice. Also, another great feature that I like is that the insole on the inside does have additional cushion. So again, this is going to help support me, especially throughout the day as I'm wearing my heels. So definitely love that is already included in my shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and we're gonna take a look and see. These are in a size 8.5, so I'm gonna see if they are true to size. All right, so I actually have the heels on. They feel very, very comfortable. They were actually true to size. Again, I got these in an 8.5. They feel very, very nice. They're actually not heavy. They feel very lightweight. I absolutely love the thin strap in the ankle. Very, very nice detail. Overall, I could see myself wearing these for a long period of time. Very, very comfortable. Overall, I would definitely recommend, and they are also available in a variety of colors.